This bird hunts like a ninja. But first, if you think this baby owl is adorable, like and subscribe. Comment rare if you love mysterious animals. Back to the vid. Owls are nighttime predators with insane night vision and silent flight. They can sneak up without making a sound. Their ears, asymmetrical. That helps them hear in 3D and find prey hidden under snow or leaves. They don't move their eyes, so they rotate their heads up to 270 degrees instead. Their eyes are massive, fixed in place, and perfect for the dark. Owls swallow prey whole, then cough up pellets filled with bones and fur. With over 200 species, they live almost everywhere, even deserts and jungles. Here's the twist. Owls never build nests. They steal tree hollows, use cacti, or even live on the ground. Stealth, power, and no rent.